Okay, ari na na-focus ko na. Amo na siya ang creator nga ko balo. Ano nga ito? Si Buzz Aldrin and Neil Armstrong. Neil Armstrong is the first man on the moon. Bye-bye. Wait. Hindi pa ko yung gano'n. Hindi na mag... Okay, I cannot focus. Okay, that's it. There you go. Zoom out again. Zoom out. There you go, gamay-gamay. Itong pusti. Piyak balay. Ari ako kamot. Atong pusti. Ato ang bulan. Let's try to zoom in again. This is the power of Nikon P600. Oh cool. I cannot find the from arrow. This is cool. Buzz Aldrin and Neil Armstrong landed on the moon, and during the Apollo 13, Jim Lovell and Fred Haise attempted to land again on the moon, but they called the successful failure. It was the Apollo 13. Zoom out to me. Zoom out. Tsura yan. May yaman. Yes.